Good morning guys, JP from Karoo Pro Angling here. I just want to demonstrate a knot to you, the clinch knot. My version of it that I use when I build my rig fly rigs. I use this knot throughout the rig. That's tying the hooks, the swivels, and including the quick change swivel that comes right on top of this rig. Okay, I use 20-pound line. And what I will do, there's a little hook, so I will stick the line through from the back through the eye of the hook, like that. And then I will pull through ample line to make life easier for myself. And what I will do then is I will twist this line around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. And then push it through that little loop. I will hold on to this little tag end, and what I will now do is I will twist the line, the hook backwards, because if I twist it forward I will just undo the 6 times I did just now. So I will go about 3 times and then stick the tag end through that little loop again, then hold on to it. I just make this little section here a bit neat. And then, oh, there it comes loose. Let me just do that quickly again. Push it through. Then a couple of times backwards, push it through again. And then I just hold on to it, and then you can pull the knot closed like that. You can put a bit of moisture on if you want to. And that is absolutely the perfect little knot there. On this side, the tag end, you can just pull it a little bit with pliers of your teeth to settle the knot quite nicely. And then with a nail knippers, you can just clip off the excess line on the tag end like that. And there you've got your perfect little clinch knot. This is fast, this is not coming loose any day soon. And when I have a big fish on the line, I never lose fish because my knots fail. So if I have a big fish on the line, I know that my knots is perfect and they will last. The fish might break my line, but that knot will definitely not come loose. If you want me to demonstrate building the entire red fly rig, please put that in the comments and I can see what I can do for you. But yeah, this is how I do the clinch knot. And you might say with 20-pound line 6 times around is a bit of an overkill, but I want to make 120% sure my knots is going to be perfect, it's going to last, and I've got enough things to worry about when I've got a big fish on the line than to worry about my knots being good enough or not. So this is how I do it, and it gives me peace of mind, and I always know that my knots will do and it will not come loose. Okay, the second knot I want to illustrate for you is a knot that I use to generally combine my lines, or also I also use this knot to tie my leaders on. This knot I don't think it's got a name, but anyway I use this knot quite often. You know, when you in the office or at home, it's easy to do quite complicated knots because you're in a nice environment, but once you at the dam or on the bank, there's very often you will get a lot of wind and bad conditions, so it's not easy to do complicated knots there. But this knot is so fantastic. So yeah, like I say to you, I use it to generally tie my lines together, or also to put on my leader. So what you do is I've got a yellow and a black line here. The black line is actually leader line and the yellow will be my main line. So what you do is you just basically tie the 2 lines together like that. Just a basic overhand little knot like this to tie the 2 lines together. And what you will then do is give it a bit of a space, and then just bring your two lines together on top here, and I put my pinkies in there so I can have good control over it. So this is what I've got at the moment. So what I then do is to just turn this two lines over each other, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's do 13 times for luck. And all you do now is through that little loop, you bring this little knot that you've tied through there. And what you're going to do now is just pull the knot closed like that. You can also put a little bit of moisture on here if you want to, but it's not really necessary, like that. Look at this perfect knot. And all you can do now is just clip off this little tag end here. You can do it very short. This knot will not come loose, like that. And I mean, what a perfect little knot is this, eh? I use this on my leaders, like I say, and even when you cast, I can never even hear the knot going out. It is just completely quiet, and this knot is so strong. I tell you, this will never ever come loose. So that is a perfect knot. It's easy to do, like I said, and even in bad conditions like heavy wind and stuff, when you on the bank, and out of the comfort of your office or place that you normally do these things, this just works for me all the time. Once I had my rod cast in, and I had a bit of a wing nut with the line in the water. I actually cut out the little wing nut, and I tied this little knot in my line with the being inside the water, and I still caught a 6 kilogram carp shortly after that, and there was absolutely no problem. So I can recommend this very highly.